You're losing hours every single day and you don't even realize it. In the next few minutes, I'll be exposing 5 silent time wasters and how you can fix it to regain your time. Hello beautiful people, my name is Wuraola Olalekan and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. On this channel, I share practical tips and actionable steps that will help you become a better version of yourself. So if that is something you're interested in, you know how to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you'll be notified when a new video comes up. Without much story, let's get into the video. Manually doing repetitive tasks instead of automating. There are certain things you do on a daily basis that you can automate. Find a way to automate it. Trust me, I'm looking for a way to automate responding to my WhatsApp messages because it's a lot and I don't think I can keep up. So identify what those tasks are that you're doing on a daily basis that you can afford to automate instead of doing it yourself. When I started sending out newsletters, I could not afford the payment plan of the email marketing platforms. So I was writing and sending emails manually. I discovered a more efficient way to send emails without spending as much and without wasting as much time sending emails to every single person I would like to send emails to. So identify what those repetitive tasks are and identify how you can automate them. Not setting clear boundaries. You are available to everybody, anybody, and at any time. Anybody can call you and assign a task to you, and you will take it gladly or grudgingly, but you will take it regardless. Learn to say no. As an adult, you need to prioritize your time. Prioritize yourself. Your time is of utmost importance. Your time is a currency, so spend it wisely. Imagine having 24 hours like you're having $24,000 every single day. How would you account for those 24 hours? How would you account for that $24,000? Are you spending it the way you would like to spend it? Would you give it to everybody and anybody who asks for it? So don't be shy to say no. Respectfully, I'm sorry, I cannot take up this responsibility at the moment. If you don't mind, I have someone I can delegate to, or I really don't want to take up the mental load of having to fulfill this task. So I'm sorry, I won't be doing this. Switching between tasks too often. I know you boast of being a multitasking expert. You can multitask excellently. You are switching easily from one task to the other. But deep down, does that system work for you? Does that make you more productive and more efficient? Are you giving yourself effectively to every of those tasks by switching from one task to the other? Or are you just doing it for doing sake? You don't just want to live your life doing things haphazardly, knowing that you could have given your time to doing it better. I tried tracking how much time I would spend on an individual task and how much time I would spend when I multitask. Honestly, your brain is not a machine. It's not like your Windows. It's not as easy as switching from one tab to the other on your computer. So give yourself to deep work. That way you're able to give yourself excellently to your work. And you spend less time because you are giving yourself to deep work. Okay? So stop switching. Try to give yourself to deep work. Okay? Too many unnecessary meetings. You are so quick to sign up for that webinar, sign up for that free class, join that meeting, volunteer for this program, volunteer for this, volunteer for that. And you're giving yourself to so many things at the same time. You are stretching yourself and you are distracting yourself from your major focus, your major aim. What exactly are you aiming to do? What is your focus at this time, this month, this quarter, this week, this day? And ensure that every single thing you are doing is adding up to the focus, the goal you have, and is aiding your journey instead of distracting you. Because the time that you are giving to this many things, trust me, another person can do it. Or you don't even need it. It might look like a once in a lifetime opportunity, but deep down, you've given yourself to many of these things in the past. How have they helped you? Track and analyze how giving yourself to so many things have helped you and what are your options, because deep down, it's wasting your time. It's wasting the time you would have given to deep work and to deeply developing yourself, to get into the root of who you are and developing yourself. Weigh your options. What you are investing, the time, the energy you are investing, is it commensurate to what you are getting out of it? And is it what you need at this point in time? Analyze what is important to you, what is urgent and what is important. If it's not urgent, if it's not important, let it go for now and focus on the urgent and important things to you. You hop on this call for 1 hour, you hop on this call for 30 minutes, you hop on this call for 20 minutes, you hop on this It's eating up your time. Doom scrolling. Oh, you thought I won't go to this? You thought I won't touch this? Everybody does this, or almost everybody does this, or most people do this. You are trying to while away time, you're trying to clear your head, you're trying to relieve yourself, and you say, okay, I just want to go to Instagram, let me just check what's happening for 5 minutes, and 5 minutes turns to 1 hour, 30 minutes, or 2 hours. That's a lot of time in your day. When last did you check your screen time? When last did you check how much time you are spending on those apps? In fact, I dare you to go and check how much time you are spending on every social media app on your phone. In fact, check your screen time and check how much time you are spending on your device. Are you making money online? To be spending and investing that much time, energy, data, resources to just entertainment and to just wasting your time. You're literally paying to waste your time. You say, oh, I'm finding valuable things online, I'm getting information. Content overload is a problem. Information overload is a problem. You are not giving yourself to focused work, and it is wasting your time. Plan your life, design your life, identify what you want to do in the next 6 months and give yourself effectively to it. Okay? One of the things I do is I have time blocking apps on my phone where I give myself to focus to work during the day, and during that period I block out social media apps, so I'm not on social media apps. And I know social media is a major distraction. You don't like that you're wasting that much time on social media, but you just can't help it. I have so many structures and tools that I use to help me regain my time from social media. Hi, this is just episode 1 of my time management series. In subsequent episodes, I'll share with you the tools, systems, and strategies that you can use to regain your time and use it for what really matters. So make sure you're subscribed and click the notification bell so you'll be notified as soon as the video is here. I'll see you in episode 2.